Hello and welcome back to this edition of Daily Actions brought to you by Bootleg Macro. I am Dustin and we are looking at LCID, or better known as the Lucid Group Incorporated. It was up 6.4% today. That's actually very impressive. What I find to be really impressive about this, and I remember saying this in the very first video that I made about Lucid, is that it's impressive to watch something be on the most active list and still be in a downtrend. Now, this is no longer in a downtrend. I think my initial video about it was probably somewhere around the end of June, maybe the 26th or the 23rd. But what we see now is essentially we've got a complete resumption of bullish demand. It looks like things have completely turned in terms of the tide of sentiment for this stock. On the 1 day, 5 day, 15 day, 1 month, we are completely positive and have been since the 30th of June. We look like we're about 2.5% away from the 3 month going positive. I wonder what price that's going to be. Tomorrow, we'll look at it. We'll look at it here. Tomorrow we have to be above $8.25. We probably won't do that, but I bet you the positive rolling 3 months is going to come when we get below 7 here, because we're already up at 8. We're probably going to at least hold there and then positively change. And that will be something that algorithms will pay attention to, algos as they call them. We do see that we have a go long in the short term, intermediate term, and the longer term. We're a bullish. So short term, long term, and intermediate term. Looks like here we are not. We are just starting to see a little bit of that high level optimism or high level demand in the stock here, which you'd expect when you look at something that when it's red with white background, that means it's 3 standard deviations above its current 23-day average. We'll look at the overall chart. Again, this really can't do it justice because it's made such a move. But the move that we've seen here from under $6 all the way up to nearly 8, that's a huge move. You're almost 50% of the move all the way there. It looks like when we look at Lucid too, we are coming out of a nice basic consolidation of demand. We did have a little bit, what we'd call probably at the early part of the year, a little bit of aggressive buying, it looks like, but it looks like things are turning positively with like strong demand, strong volume, strong, like not streaky kind of volatility. It looks like what we see here is probably an actual change in overall trend. We don't see it on the weekly yet, but we'll see that probably in the future. You can see already on the weekly that the thing is starting to bend because the volatility is changing. But tell me what you think in the comments below. Are you long? Are you short? Do you like it? Do you love it? Is this even a good review? And before you go, subscribe to the New High newsletter. It comes out Sundays just for you. I'll talk to you soon.